this is locked smartphone, completely locked, and I have no any idea about what is this smartphone's password lock, pattern lock, pin lock. So I am going to resetting this mobile without any computer, without any software, and without any data loss. Yes, my friend. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure that your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end, and your smartphone will be unlocked today. So, but before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay. After that, you have to remove your SIM card and memory card from your smartphones. Otherwise, your SIM card and memory card will be corrupted. After that, you have to remove this same SIM card and memory card. After that, you have to swipe up for a smartphone to unlock your smartphone, but you don't have the correct password, so you have to click on the emergency call option here and click dialer pad also, and here you have to enter a code to open engineer mode page, and this code is *#899 and #. After clicking on the last # button here, you can see that your smartphone has been going to engineer mode page, and you have to find an option which is named manual test option. You have to open this manual test option page and go to the last page which belongs to other page, and you can see that there are all 5 options here. You can work in these options very carefully. So first of all, you have to click on the database version for 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After completing this process, you have to click on the reading reset complete indicator, means last option, and you can see that there this is the pass message here. But if you find a fail message in your smartphone, so you have to repeat the same process from this video until your until your pass message come in your smartphone. After that, you have to click on the back button here and click the key status option here on number 3rd, and when you click the key status, your mobile is completely unlocked from your mobile. You can see that all keys are pass, means your pin pattern, password lock, fingerprint and face lock is unlocked 100%. For checking purpose, for verification purpose, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all a smartphone. But if your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 to 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile at your home. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.